Top things to do in Bali. The impetuous waves, enchanted rainforests, sacred volcanic peaks, emerald rice terraces and the timeless tradition and spirituality. Sounds pretty epic, right? They can all be experienced on the magical island of Bali, along with much more. Check out our guide on the top 10 things to do in Bali and get ready to be spoiled for choice on this dreamy Indonesian island. 1. Hika Volcano at sunrise. Bali is home to outstanding volcanic peaks, reaching around 3,000 meters above sea level. What's more exciting than hiking at night to reach the summit and have the sun rising on your tired skin? It will set the tone of your holiday, energizing and reinvigorating both the body and the spirit. Check our guide to Mount Batur Sunrise Trek and don't forget to pack your hiking boots. 2. Chase waterfalls. Who doesn't like to chase waterfalls and jump in enchanted jungle water pools? The northern central tropical forests of Bali hold magical spots just waiting to be discovered. Head to Gitgit, Sekumpulan to Kadkupun to have an unforgettable taste of what Balinese nature can offer. The fresh water will wake you up from what may feel like a wild jungle dream. 3. Tirthampul Temple. Locals believe that the sacred water flowing at the Tirthampul Temple has the power to heal and cleanse their body and soul. Tourists may or may not believe the same notion, but soaking in the spring water in a serene, beautiful temple is an experience not to be missed. 4. Tegalalang Rice Terrace. The postcard-worthy scenery of delicate rice terraces surrounded by lush palm trees and tropical greeneries makes Tegalalang a visually appealing sight to behold. But exotic beauty is only part of this attraction's charms. Ubud's rice terraces are purposefully built to facilitate effective use of water resources and organize local social units. In other words, these glorious rice terraces do not only attract tourists from across the globe, they actually bring people together and reflect the values and philosophy of the Balinese culture. Tourists can also explore the villages nearby to hear fascinating local stories and observe the custom and lifestyle of people who built and maintain the glorious rice terraces. 5. Go surfing at one of Bali's beautiful beaches. Even if you are not a surfer, you cannot possibly leave Bali without trying to ride a wave. Head to Seminyak Korkangu Beach. Rent a board from one of the many rental places and ask the owner to give you a lesson. You'll feel so alive in so many ways. If you are a pro, Uluwatu is the place to be. The best swell and surfers bars are found there.